Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable disable hide profanity in live caption on a Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First we're going to tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. In here, we're going to go down and tap on accessibility. Next, go down and tap on hearing enhancements. Then we go down and tap on live caption. Now in here, if you swipe up to go down, then in the settings section, tap on hide profanity. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. If you turn this on, it will hide profanity. Profanity will be replaced with an asterisk symbol. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.